In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export multiple frames in Figma as one cohesive PDF. Imagine you've been tirelessly working on a project, crafting multiple frames that tell your design story beautifully. Now you want to consolidate all these frames into a single, easy-to-share PDF file. Let me guide you through this incredibly simple process. First, take a moment to look at your Figma interface. You should see your project with all its frames laid out nicely. Now direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice a menu button up there. Go ahead and click on that menu. This is your gateway to a lot of Figma's powerful functions. Once you click on the menu, you'll see a drop-down list. Look for the File option and click on it. Now from this menu, you want to select Export Frames to PDF. This particular function is a huge time saver for designers who need to present their work efficiently or share it with clients or team members. The moment you click on Export Frames to PDF, a download will begin automatically. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your frames, this might take just a few seconds or a little longer. Once the download is complete, go ahead and open the file. You'll notice that all your frames are beautifully compiled into one PDF document. It's seamless and ensures that your design transitions from one frame to the next smoothly, maintaining the narrative you intended for your audience. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to export multiple frames in Figma as a single PDF file. This feature is particularly valuable when you want to ensure that your designs are viewed in the order you intended or when you're preparing materials for presentations. It allows your work to be viewed as a whole without the fuss of individual images or files. I hope you found this tutorial clear and helpful. If you did, and if this method streamlined your workflow or made your design presentations more effective, feel free to give this video a like. We would love to hear your thoughts, so don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And if you want to see more tips and techniques like this in the future, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot and helps us bring you more valuable content. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more insightful design tutorials. Happy designing!